Today, you will learn how to move text up and down in Word, shortcut key. Simply click anywhere inside the paragraph, list item, or table row that you want to move, so your text cursor is blinking there. Now press Shift plus Alt plus up arrow to move it one position higher, or press Shift plus Alt plus down arrow to move it one position lower. Every time you press the shortcut, Word immediately moves that entire paragraph or item, while keeping the formatting, numbering, and bullets intact, making it much faster than using cut and paste. For example, if you have a list of tasks in the wrong order, place your cursor inside the task you want to move and press the shortcut until it reaches the correct position. The same trick also works for normal paragraphs, bulleted lists, numbered lists, and even table rows. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.